Adding text to images with complex perspectives can be very tricky to achieve. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cause your text to assume the same perspectives as your image. So it's very simple to do. After you've typed in your text like I've done here, select the text layer. You go to Edit, select Perspective Warp. Once the Perspective Warp tool has been selected, you just want to create an outline around your text like this. And once that is done, you click on Warp, and then use these 4 points to align your text with the same perspective as the background. So when you click here, you just adjust like this, and your text is already aligned with the perspective of the background. And now the next thing you may want to do to create a little more realism is to double click on this layer. You go to the blending options, and under the blending options you come to this underlying layer. You break this slider into two and shift them apart like this, and you move like this. Once you begin to do this, you see the texture of the background is now blending with the text which you had created. So after that, you just click on OK and your text is done. So please, if you enjoyed this video, do well to support me by liking and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.